Yay!
Yung anak mo isa parang...
Oh, you sleepy?
No, he got it in his eyes.
Yay!
Yay.
Well,
Almost.
Jordan, you're like a penguin. Or a seal.
oh, right here, Alex. Alex. Alex.
What, a
Alex.
fish?
Bubble. That's a big one.
Look, big one! Big! A big one! Oh my god! Uh-oh. Karate chopped them. Jordan was karate chopping.
Yeah.